Made it to the Splitrock Reservoir. I'm gonna try to camp in my truck tonight under the new camper shell. Cooking some dinner now. Got some venison on the grill, and then gonna eat a salad as well. And then there's a 12-mile loop around this reservoir that I'm gonna try to run tomorrow morning. Not really allowed to park here, picnic here, or camp here, so hopefully I don't get in any trouble tonight, but I think I'll be pretty incognito in the camper shell. Venison, unreal. Salad was also unreal. Finishing dinner off with a fan favorite, peanut butter bagel. All set up to sleep in the truck bed. Got the air mat and the sleeping bag. About ready to catch some Z's. Time to get up and go for a run. Getting ready to head out on the Splitrock Reservoir Trail. It's almost 12 miles, a little bit of elevation gain. It's a big loop all the way around the lake. People say they run it really slow because it's very technical. So, got a hydration pack, some electrolytes, banana, and I'm about to head out of here. Sitting at the top of Indian Cliffs, about 5 miles in. Gonna eat a little snack and then keep running another mile up and then south back down the west side of the lake. .87 miles in. I could see the dam across the lake, and just past that's my truck. Run is finished. Ended up being 11.07 miles. Took me 2 hours and 36 minutes. And total ascent was 2,096 feet. Good way to start the Sunday, and real good run. Felt good. Cooking a couple eggs and a bagel on the griddle now. Instant coffee. I left the Splitrock Reservoir and headed to the Gateway National Recreation Area. Here you can see the New York City skyline from a New Jersey beach, and this island used to be a military testing ground, so there's a lot of old military buildings as well as cannons on the island.